Have you ever marveled at the incredible ability of certain foods to mend our bodies, boost our immune systems, and enhance our overall well-being? The healing power of healthy foods isn't just about satisfying your taste buds, it's an exploration of the remarkable connection between what we eat and our capacity to heal and thrive. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can a plate of nourishing food become our greatest medicine? Let's delve into the fascinating realm of the healing potential of healthy eating. Food has the power to be both our sword and our shield in the battle for good health. By making mindful choices and incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you're fortifying your body against illness. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in these foods act as your allies, warding off diseases and bolstering your immune system. The healing journey of healthy foods doesn't merely begin when you sit down to a meal. It starts at the root, in the soil, where nutrient-rich plants are cultivated. Choosing fresh, locally sourced produce can deepen your connection to the earth and reduce your carbon footprint, contributing to a healthier planet and a healthier you. Furthermore, healthy foods aren't just a physical remedy, they have the potential to uplift your mental and emotional well-being. The brain-gut connection reveals that what you eat profoundly impacts your mood and cognitive function. Whole foods can nourish your mind and soul, fostering clarity, positivity, and emotional resilience. The healing power of healthy foods transcends the individual and extends to communities. Local and sustainable agriculture practices support farmers, promote biodiversity, and ensure the availability of fresh, wholesome produce for all. This, in turn, fosters a sense of communal well-being and solidarity. Healthy foods also serve as a bridge to the past and a beacon for the future. Many traditional diets, rooted in age-old wisdom, offer a treasure trove of culinary knowledge that has sustained cultures for generations. By embracing these time-honored traditions, you not only connect with the wisdom of your ancestors but also help preserve culinary heritage for generations to come. The healing power of healthy foods is a reminder that food can be our greatest ally in the pursuit of a healthy, vibrant life. It's an invitation to rediscover the harmony between nature and nutrition and embrace a diet that fosters well-being on every level. Whether you're seeking to prevent illness, recover from health challenges, or simply thrive, the healing power of healthy foods is a rich and nurturing path to explore. So, the next time you sit down to a nourishing meal, know that you're partaking in a timeless tradition of healing and restoration, one bite at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.